Well, if you're old enough to remember Photomat or 1 hour film developing, that's kind of what we got going on here. Took this shot down in downtown Rockford about 4 o'clock this afternoon. It's 7:15 right now, and I did stop at the Olympic and have dinner before I came here to the dark room, but developed a shot. Part of my under the bridge over the dam, or under the bridge over the dam series I'm working on. These are all going to be Cirkut panoramas of Rockford, specifically along the Rock River. So let's see if we got something good here. Go ahead and pull this out. Let's take a look. Looks like we got a negative. It's kind of long for the area I've got to work down here, but let's take a peek. Oh yeah, that looks real good. I don't know if you can see this or not. Try to hold it up. Looks like a real nice negative of the Rock River, Jefferson Street Bridge, Prairie Street Brew House. Yeah, this is going to be a good one. I'm going to run her through some photo flow here to run it through some photo flow here to prevent any spots. But it looks like we have got a fantastic negative. Man, I just love this Cirkut camera. These long, thin negatives, I love them. Absolutely love them. I don't know if you can really see much there. Maybe a little bit. But this is going to hang overnight and dry. And then we'll take her and we'll make some prints. And I'll post those here. Thanks for watching.